Yo, check this out. It's Quest Creations coming to you again with another one. PlayStation t-shirt. Check this out. What I'm finna do with this t-shirt, man. I got this t-shirt from Macy's. Got it on sale, man. I think I paid probably about like $11 for it. Something like that. Regular $25. But you know what? Hey, check this out. Shirt been around for a year. Time to do something else with it. Rather than throw it away, it's time to make it into something else. Today, so what we're going to do is we're going to bleach splatter dye this t-shirt, man. I'm going to show you how to take this t-shirt and make it to a new t-shirt using just some simple bleach. That's all. Simple concentrated bleach, nothing expensive, nothing fancy. Great value, simply Walmart. You know where to get that at. Put it in a little bottle, small like such right here. You know what I mean? Check it out. Wear your gloves. Put them gloves on your hand. Protect that skin because bleach can cause irritation. Safety is a must. Be careful. Take your 2 fingers, stick them inside the bottle right there like that. You know, right there. And then, you know what I'm saying? Begin to just spill that bleach right on that shirt. Just splash, splash, splash. Get it on there real nice and good. You know, have a little fun with it. Be careful, not too much, not too little. However you want to do it. You might like a lot, you might like a little. It's your idea, it's your creation. You take it, make it what you want. Splash a little here, there. Look, you can see the color already starting to change a little bit. Check that out. Voila, it's like magic. I love creating this stuff, just being creative, taking just nothing and making it into something. I could have just tossed it out, but I decided to keep it and make it to a whole new shirt. So hey, have a little fun with this thing. Don't forget, hey, we gotta flip this thing over. Get ready to do this other side, y'all. You know what I mean? Have some fun with this thing. Check it out. So here we go. Now we on the other side. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Get it on there. Get it saturated real nice and good. Get it going. Take a little finger, splash a little bit on there like that. That's going to make little speckles in it. You'll see a little small little specks in there. Don't forget that sleeve. Sleeves get lonely too. Me too. So, hey, I know how I feel. Make sure you get them sleeves. Get the whole shirt. Splash, splash, splash. A little more. That'll bring it all together when you put them little splashes in there and things like that. Sometimes you might have a little disconnect, little empty spots, but that'll help that out. Get that baby flip back over. Look at that. It's like magic. See that, 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 see that. Could have just tossed it, threw it away, but nah, we're gonna keep that. Ain't no point of just throwing that out. Like they say, another man's trash is another man's treasure. Well, I keep my trash because my trash is my own treasures. Because I'm Quest Creations, you dig? So, hey, that's how I like to do that right there. You can see that thing just processing real good. See them colors changing. Get that baby hanging up right there. Let it finish processing. Give or take about 10, 15 minutes, depending on how light you want that baby to get. Let it process. You see it to see how them things coming through. You see the little speckles and stuff in there and everything. Look, see how that's light. Yeah, but that one processed a little longer. So it's just up to you. Have a little fun with it. It's your creation, your idea, what you making. I love that. Look at that. They just need to process just a little bit longer. Just a tad bit longer. So we're going to sit there right there. Just let that finish processing. Get that baby ready to go. I'm telling you, going to love that. I'm telling you. For real, for real. I love doing this, man. I just love being so creative and just having fun with it. Just look at that coming through. Man, right there. There it go. There it go. So it's ready now. Now we just getting that baby ready. Stuff getting ready to take this puppy off this hanger. Getting it ready to go in the wash machine. Put a little pod right there. Bow. Drop that in there. With, you know what I'm saying? Take the shirt off the hanger. Go getting that baby ready to go in there. In the wash machine, set them settings on that thing and get it going. And here you have it. Fresh off the line. Let that baby hang dry for a little minute or throw it in the dryer on a low cycle or something like that. And there you have it. Ready to go. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. How you love that. PlayStation. Bleach Splattered dye t-shirt. Quest Creations. You can do it too. I could have tossed this out. This was just an old shirt that was on sale. It was regular $25 on sale for $11. I just upped the value. I think I can probably get about 40 for the t-shirt. This is one of a kind. Never seen before. Can't get that one at Macy's. But you can make that yourself. I just taught you how to do that. Quest Creations. Hey, I'm gonna be coming to you, man, with more of these designs. You're gonna see so much more creativity from me, more of these shirts. Man, hey, if you want me to do one for you, get in touch with me. You know where to find me at. On Quest Creations. I ain't hard to find. Hey, look me up. Facebook, Marquez Tatum. Look me up. Instagram at Quest Creations. QUEZSCREATIONS. Quest Creations. Holla.